welcome to MonkeyArt, and today we are going to draw Gnome for St. Patrick's Day. So we are going to need one piece of paper, we're gonna use some markers, and we're gonna also use one black marker for our drawing part. And I'm gonna use my rocket marker. So let's get started. We're gonna draw our little gnome starting from the middle of the paper. And first we're gonna draw his little nosy nose. So we're gonna draw it somewhere in the middle like this, and it's gonna be oval. And then we're gonna draw some mustache. They're gonna go all the way down like this, and we're gonna use some zigzags, and we're gonna go to the middle of his nose. Okay, let's try to do that on the other side. So we have space like that. So we go one line, and then we go zigzags, zigzags, and there we go. We have his mustache completed. And now we're gonna go a little bit up and draw his cute little hat. So we're gonna start, let's see, from here. This will be the middle, and then we're gonna go down, and let's do the same line on the other side. And then we're gonna do another line following this one and to the end, just like that. And that's gonna be the beginning of our hat. So we're gonna go all the way up, then we're gonna finish with a little circle, just like that. And let's go like this. We're gonna draw a little line here, then little line here, and one more, until we get to the little circle in the end. Something like that. And I'm gonna make a few more from this side. And there we go, we have his little hat, and we have nose, and he's cute and covered. Okay, now we're gonna go down and we're gonna draw huge beard. So it's gonna go all the way to his feet. So somewhere here, this will be the end. Okay, and actually we're gonna draw his boots or shoes first, and they're gonna go something like this, because we need to draw his beard across this. So we have one little shoe, and then we're gonna make another one, just like this. Okay, we have two shoes. Now we're gonna go and draw that beautiful huge beard he has all over his body. So we're gonna go like a circle, like this, and then we're gonna also leave some empty space here, because we're gonna draw little hands. Then we're gonna continue down, 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 like that. Draw a few more zigzags, and then the same thing we're gonna do on this side. So we're gonna start from here somewhere and leave a little bit of empty space and go down, 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 and finish there somewhere. Actually, this is a little bit shorter, but that's fine. Okay, and now we're gonna go and draw his little hand we have one finger, and then we can just draw a little oval like that and finish here. Okay, and you can also add maybe 2 little lines there for his little fingers, and from this side we will do the same thing. So we're gonna draw a little, let me just see, from here, and then a little oval, and then we're gonna go back and finish there. Add 2 more lines, and there we go, we have another hand. And actually I'm gonna maybe use a few more lines here, because on this side it's a little bit longer. Okay, that's cool. And now we're gonna add 1 more line for his beard, actually for his mouth, so we just see a little bit of it. And there we go, guys. Now we can go and color it. He's looking really cool. Okay, we're gonna use a darker and a lighter green. I'm gonna start with a lighter one, and I'm gonna draw some lines here, just like this. You can use some other shapes if you want. You can draw maybe circles or something else, or you can also draw lines just like me. Let's draw a few more, just like that. And we're gonna also use a little bit of this bright green on the shoes, just like that. And now let's go and use darker green. And with this one, we're gonna color the top of his. So I'm gonna use this side. We're gonna color his little hat. Just like that. And actually I'm gonna use the same color and color these parts of his little hat. Just like that. And then we're gonna have these lines. Cool. And we're gonna color all empty space we have, except this little circle. It will be orange. This one we're gonna color. Nice, we have cute little hats, and now we're gonna go down and color the top of his shoes. Just like that. And we're gonna also use brown. And that's gonna be for the bottom of his shoes. These little parts. Okay. Nice. And now we're gonna use some orange for his beard and mustache. And I'm gonna use this side, the thicker one, and color all the way in. And this part as well. We're gonna color. Cool. And then let's go to this side. and color all the way in, just like this. Cool, and let's do the bottom part as well. And this little part here. Wow, I love this orange color. It's really bright and it's looking super cool. Okay, and the last part we need to do is to color his face, his nose, and his little hands. Okay, so we're gonna use some skin color. And here as well. And then we're gonna color this part. And then we can leave a little white circle on one side, just to make it look shiny. Oh yeah, I also forgot these parts, so we're gonna color the top of his hat, this little circle, orange, and that's looking awesome, guys. We can also maybe color the top of his face using a little bit brown, because his eyes should be hidden. Okay, so we're gonna use darker color like this brown. And there we go, guys. I hope you like this drawing. It's really cute. I love it. And maybe we can add some more lines here and there and here and there, just like that. And you can add some more lines and some more details if you want. And guys, we have created our St. Patrick's little gnome, and let's see our St. Patrick. Ho 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 ho! It's looking great! Ho ho ho! Wow, guys, we have finished this, so we're gonna give it a little check mark, and we're gonna give it a little heart, because we love our little cute gnome. And that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.